Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the squishies that I just got today, and I am so excited. But I already opened a couple because I filmed it, but I was editing, or I wasn't editing, but I went to pause it because I was going to show you guys one of the things that I got, and it apparently wasn't recording, but I'm super sorry. But anyway, I got to open this blind bag of Squish Delish, and this was inside of it. It's really adorable, and I love it. And then I got to open all three of these like smooshies, and in one of the categories, which was bakery, I got this little jelly toast. Then in sweets, I got this marshmallow, and then in what was it, Nonnies or whatever it's called, I got a Pop-Tart. And they are all really cute. And I saved the best. Well, I didn't really save the best, but like, it is so cute. It's super slow rising. And it's a cake. Like, it's so cute. I'm just gonna open this and yeah. Okay, I just opened it and it feels like a marshmallow. But anyway, here is the cake. And like these are like the little drips of the icing, and there's like all the whipped cream and all like the toppings and stuff. Just look how slow rising this is. It's super slow rising and I love it. So happy to be adding this to my collection. Comment down below, what was your favorite thing I got today? My favorite was maybe, hang on, let me hold all of these first. Okay, comment down below. Ah! Okay, hang on. Let me grab that. What was your favorite? Was it this cute cake? Was it this cute little hot chocolate? Or was it one of these three? First person to comment which one was their best will be winning. This cute little mini panda bun. And only everybody else, not you, Lily, because you won the other giveaway. I'm so sorry. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye!